Good evening, friends. Welcome to my today's analysis of Bank Nifty. So market opened flat actually. It opened gap up, and then market went. It received support from 921 and 50 MA. So market received support from 9 EMA, 21 EMA, and 50 EMA, and it went into VWAP actually. And from VWAP it went above the VWAP band until this point, and there was a rejection from VWAP and it came back down to 50 MA and 100 MA. So after this this was little tricky today. 21 EMA remained above the 51 EMA. 9 EMA never crossed the 21 EMA. It simply came down like this. For majority of the time here in this range, 21 EMA remained above the 50 EMA, but 9 EMA and the 9 EMA remained below the 21 EMA and it fell into the 50 EMA. Both fell into the 50 EMA, and then it received support from 100 EMA and VWAP band, and there was a bullish crossover of 9 and 21, and the candle went into the 50 MA. So this candle, so there was movement up to the VWAP until the VWAP. And then no trade here actually, because the 21 crossover of 21 and the distance of the candle is too far. Actually here at this point 21 EMA crossed the 50 MA and there was a candle actually, but it was too far from the crossover point. It went into the 100 EMA here, and there was another candle after this point, but because of the VWAP band it reversed. Because of the VWAP band it reversed again, it back into the band. So this candle, after that there were no candles except this one. And then no more candles after this point, no more candles according to our setup after this point actually. So I will show you what I did today. Let me see what I did today. So today I traded at 919.26. So I traded at 919, 918. This is 918, closure of 9 and 18. This one 919.26 here. I traded this candle. Actually, it came down. See, actually, I should have traded here only. Usually, for the candle coming from 9921 EMA into the VWAP, the destination is VWAP itself. It usually comes back. I wrongly traded this candle at 919 actually. Because of luck, because of the VWAP band, it went up. Actually, it went up into the VWAP band. But usually, this is the destination for the candle coming from 921 and which are above the 50 MA is VWAP. So it stops here and then returns. But because of you entered wrongly in the third candle here, so it went up and then fortunately it went up for some time. I exited my trade. I was in loss actually in this fall. In this fall I was in loss. Then it went back up. I exited my trade. 919.26. I bought at 149 rupees. And exited at 9:24:55. So 5 minutes. So nearly 5 minutes I exited this trade. I exited my trade at the 9:24:55. So 919, 9:24:55 here in this candle. So in this candle I exited my trade actually for the candle coming from 9 and 21 which are above the 50 EMA. And the setup is completely below the VWAP. The candle travels up to VWAP and it comes back actually. But I wrongly entered in the third candle. I got one candle here and I exited my trade. So today I made some profit here. This was though by luck I made this profit. I made a profit of 103 rupees. And then I lost in some trades in by stocks. In stocks I lost some money. So because of which I made around 99 rupees today. Then my second trade I took at 10:36.50. 10:36.50. So 10:36. Let me locating the candle. So this is a 10:36.50 candle. So before that, $10:36.50. So actually I entered in this candle after the closure of this candle 10:33. Actually I entered late, that is correct. 10:36.50. I entered in this candle. I entered late actually. What I saw is 9 and 21 remained above the 50 EMA like this, and 9 EMA also remained. 9 EMA entered 50 EMA here. I thought 9 EMA will cross the 21 EMA like this and go in the direction of VWAP, but instead this was a trap actually. Usually when this floats, 21 floats above the 50 EMA, it goes up, but it was a trap today and it went down. The market flowed down in the opposite direction. So I lost big money here actually. In this fall I did not set a stop loss. I did not keep a stop loss, so because I need to practice this to keep the stop loss. I did not keep the stop loss at this point, so because of which it resulted in a big fall and a big loss. So though 21 remained was floating above the 50 and 9 EMA was nearly about to cross the 21. You can see in this candle, I saw that 9 EMA is going to 9 EMA was about to cross the 9 EMA was about to cross the 21. Actually, it crossed for some time like this. So I thought it will go up, but instead it came back down. So this was a trap. I got stuck in the trap. Before I could think, I was in loss actually. So I had to exit my trade. Forcibly exited my trade. So I made a loss actually. So in 3 minutes I was in loss. So I exited my trade. I was in a loss of 351 rupees today. This is a big loss comparing to my profits. So I need to stick to my rules of keeping stop loss. I will follow it from today onwards. So even if, because I don't think any point, I don't think if I lose, it is better to sit with a stop loss rather than making a big loss and sitting idle. So it is better to give a small stop loss rather than giving big losses, incurring big losses like this. So I have decided to keep stop loss from tomorrow, irrespective of whether it hits or not. I'm going to exit my trade. And the next trade I did was at 10:45, and I exited within 10:46. So the reason for the trade is here 10:45. See I saw the 21 EMA cross the 50 EMA, and there was a connecting candle at this point. I entered in this candle actually. So it went into 100 EMA. But see, I did not recognize the distance between the 21, 50 and 100 EMA. It was too big. So as soon as the market fell, after this candle, it went back up into the VWAP band and quickly reversed. So market reversed after this point. So, but I could exit my trade within in time. So just in 1 minute 23 seconds I exited my trade, and I made some profit here. I made some profit of 700 rupees. I made a profit of 700 rupees here in this trade. But I took for three sets in this trade. I took 3 sets and I made some profit. So what I realize is nowadays I have stopped over trading. I have trading only once in a day. Even if there is a loss, I take the loss and I sit idle. So now I am now trying to refine my sitting time. I now see that there is no point in losing big money. I need to respect the stop loss. I will respect my stop loss, and even if there is a small loss, I will take this loss and I will exit my trade instead of sitting with big losses. It is better to sit with a small loss and wait for the next trade until tomorrow. So this was about my trade today. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.